Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Hasbro Gaming Candyland Kingdom of Sweet Adventures board game, an absolute classic that has been entertaining kids for generations. If you remember playing Candyland when you were a kid, then you know just how much fun this game can be. And now, it's time to introduce the new generation to this sweet kids board game. In Candyland, players race to the castle, encountering all kinds of delicious surprises along the way. The game is designed for kids ages 3 and up, and the best part? No reading is required to play. This makes it the perfect game for little ones who haven't learned how to read yet. With its vibrant colored cards, sweet destinations, and fun illustrations, Candyland is a game that kids absolutely love. It's not just a game, it's an adventure through a magical world of sweets. So, if you're looking for the perfect Easter basket stuffer or a great gift for kids, then look no further than the Hasbro Gaming Candyland Kingdom of Sweet Adventures board game. And guess what? It's an Amazon exclusive, so you won't find it anywhere else. So go ahead and click the link in the description to get your hands on this classic beginner game that will bring hours of joy and excitement to your little ones. Don't miss out, get your Candyland board game today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing reviews and recommendations. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the original sequence game by Jax. If you're looking for a fun and challenging game to play with friends and family, then this is the game for you. With its easy to understand rules, Sequence is perfect for children and adults alike. The goal is simple. Play a card from your hand and place a chip on the corresponding space on the game board. Get 5 in a row and you've got a sequence. Not only is Sequence a blast to play, but it also helps develop important STEM skills like strategy and critical thinking. Plus, with its compact folding board and included cards and chips, it's perfect for game nights at home or on the go. So, if you're ready to add some excitement to your game nights, be sure to check out the original Sequence game by Jax. Just click on the link in the description below to get your hands on this classic game. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the signature by Levi Strauss Company. Gold label men's carpenter jeans. These jeans are a must-have for any guy who values both style and functionality. With their durable and high-quality denim material, you can trust these jeans to stand up to any challenge. The carpenter style offers plenty of storage with multiple pockets, making it perfect for carrying your essentials on the go. Not to mention, the comfortable fit and classic design make these jeans a versatile addition to any wardrobe. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and stylish pair of jeans, look no further than the signature by Levi Strauss Company. Gold label men's carpenter jeans. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your denim game. You can find the link to purchase these jeans in the description below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the Dream Pairs women's knee-high boots, specifically the Utah low-stacked heel knee-high riding boots. These boots are a must-have for anyone looking to up their style game this season. First off, the quality of these boots is top-notch. They're made with high-quality materials that are built to last. The low-stacked heel adds a touch of elegance while still being comfortable enough to wear all day long. The knee-high design is perfect for pairing with your favorite dresses, skirts, or even your go-to pair of jeans. Not to mention, the versatility of these boots is amazing. Whether you're heading to work, going out for a night on the town, or just running errands, these boots will take your outfit to the next level. So, if you're looking to add a stylish and versatile pair of boots to your wardrobe, be sure to check out the Dream Pairs women's Utah low-stacked heel knee-high riding boots. Trust me, you won't regret it. And don't forget to click the link in the description to get your own pair today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more fashion and style tips. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of photo printing with the Canon TS202 Inkjet photo printer. This sleek and compact printer is perfect for detailed documents and stunning photos, thanks to its fine hybrid ink system. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including a full set of ink cartridges and a setup CD-ROM. With a dedicated rear paper tray, you can quickly refill paper without any hassle. Plus, the Pixma TS202's compact size means it fits almost anywhere, making it a perfect addition to any home or office space. The TS202 is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, so no matter what device you're using, you can easily print with ease. And with ink tank and fill volume options, you'll have plenty of ink to keep those prints coming. The output tray capacity is impressive, with the rear paper tray holding 60 sheets of plain paper or 20 sheets of 4x6, 10 sheets of 5x7 photo paper. It's clear that this printer is designed with convenience and quality in mind. So if you're in the market for a reliable and versatile photo printer, look no further than the Canon TS202. Check the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and recommendations. Happy printing! Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Jamo Studio Series S808 subwoofer in black. This subwoofer is the perfect combination of style and performance, making it a must-have for any audio enthusiast. The 8 polyfiber woofer delivers deep, rich bass that will enhance your music, movies, and gaming experiences. The 100-watt bottom-mounted Class D amplifier provides powerful and clear sound, giving you the high-quality audio you deserve. What's more, the ultra-slim cabinet design allows the subwoofer to fit seamlessly into any room without taking up too much space. Plus, the sleek black finish adds a touch of elegance to your setup. So, if you're looking to take your audio to the next level, the Jamo Studio Series S808 subwoofer is the perfect choice. And the best part is, you can get your hands on one right now by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your audio experience. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, thanks for tuning in. Today we're taking a look at the Mattel game Uno card game, a classic family favorite that's perfect for family night, travel, and even as a gift for kids. This Amazon exclusive edition comes in a collectible storage tin and can be played by 10 players, making it versatile and fun for all. Uno is easy to learn and incredibly fun to play. The goal is simple. Be the first to deplete your hand by matching cards by color or number. But watch out for special action cards like skips, reverses, draw twos, and color-changing wild cards. They can really shake things up. This game is perfect for adults, teens, and kids 7 and up, and it comes with 112 cards and instructions in a sturdy tin for easy storage and travel. Plus, it's colorblind accessible with special graphic symbols on each card to help identify the colors. So, if you're looking for a game that's guaranteed to bring endless fun and laughter to your family gatherings, or to keep the kids entertained on long trips, the Mattel game Uno card game is the perfect choice. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this classic game today. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun and exciting game reviews. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am super excited to talk about these amazing signature by Levi Strauss company. Gold label women's totally shaping skinny jeans. If you're looking for a pair of jeans that will flatter your figure, provide all-day comfort, and still look stylish, then look no further. These jeans come in both standard and plus sizes, so everyone can enjoy the perfect fit. The shaping skinny technology will hug your curves in all the right places, giving you a sleek and slimming look. And the best part? They have a stretchy and durable denim fabric that keeps its shape, no matter how many times you wear them. I can't recommend these jeans enough, they are truly a game changer. So if you want to elevate your wardrobe with a high-quality and affordable pair of skinny jeans, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on a pair today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. Hey there, cat lovers. If you're looking for a safe and comfortable way to take your feline friend for a walk, then you're in the right place. Introducing the rabbitgoo Cat Harness and Leash for walking, the perfect solution for outdoor adventures with your kitty. This escape-proof, adjustable vest harness is designed to keep your cat secure and comfortable during walks, while the breathable air mesh keeps them cool and relaxed. With 4 adjusting straps and sturdy safety buckles, you can ensure a snug fit without worrying about your cat slipping out. Not only is this harness safe and secure, but it's also designed for your cat's comfort. The vest-style design evenly distributes leash pressure to prevent choking or neck strain, while the reflective strips keep your kitty visible in dark environments. So, if you want to give your cat the freedom to explore the great outdoors safely and comfortably, then click the link in the description to get your rabbitgoo cat harness and leash for walking today. Your kitty will thank you for it, and you'll both enjoy the outdoor adventures together. Don't wait, get yours now and start making memories with your feline friend. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a look at the men's classic relaxed fit. If you're in the market for a comfortable and stylish pair of pants, these are definitely worth considering. Made with high-quality materials and designed for a relaxed and classic fit, these pants are perfect for any casual or semi-formal occasion. With a variety of colors to choose from, you can easily find a pair that matches your personal style. Plus, the durable construction means these pants will last you a long time, making them a great investment for your wardrobe. So, if you're ready to upgrade your wardrobe with a versatile and timeless piece, be sure to check out the men's classic relaxed fit. You can find the link in the description below, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. Hey there, gamers. Today we are taking a look at the Nintendo Switch Lite in the beautiful coral color. This compact and lightweight handheld system is perfect for gaming on the go. Not only is the Switch Lite available in a range of fun colors, but it also offers online and local wireless multiplayer, so you can play with friends and family wherever you are. And let's not forget that the Nintendo Switch is the home of Mario Friends, with a wide range of fantastic games to choose from. So, if you're looking for a gaming system that's portable, versatile, and just plain fun, then the Nintendo Switch Lite is definitely for you. And the best part is, you can get your hands on one today by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the gaming experience of a lifetime with the Nintendo Switch Lite. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews and gaming content, and happy gaming. Hey there, truck and SUV enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Ford Racing Ford Truck SUV Black and Chrome Wheel Center Cap Kit. This sleek and stylish accessory is designed specifically for the 2015-2020 F-150 with OEM wheels and 2 5/8 center caps. Not only does this center cap kit add a touch of sophistication to your truck or SUV, but it also enhances the overall look and feel of your vehicle. The black and chrome design is sure to turn heads and make a statement on the road. But it's not just about looks. The Ford Racing Ford Truck SUV Black and Chrome Wheel Center Cap Kit is also built to last. Made with high-quality materials, it's durable and reliable, giving you peace of mind that it will withstand the rigors of daily driving. So, why should you consider adding this center cap kit to your vehicle? Well, aside from the obvious visual appeal, it's a great way to elevate the appearance of your truck or SUV without breaking the bank. Plus, it's a genuine Ford racing product, so you know you're getting the best quality and craftsmanship. Ready to take your truck or SUV to the next level? Then click the link in the description and get your hands on the Ford Racing Ford Truck SUV Black and Chrome Wheel Center Cap Kit today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting product reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're talking about the Google Chromecast with Google TV. This streaming stick is your key to endless entertainment, offering fast streaming and a crystal clear picture up to 4K with HDR for brighter colors. With voice search, you can easily find specific shows, movies, or even ask Google for personalized recommendations based on your viewing habits and subscriptions. But it doesn't stop there. You can also control the volume, switch inputs, play music, and get answers on screen, all with the included remote. And if you have kids, there's a kids profile feature that allows you to set parental controls and create a safe and fun space for them to enjoy family-friendly content. Plus, the Chromecast is designed with recycled materials, helping to reduce waste and keep it out of landfills. It's a win-win for both your entertainment needs and the environment. So if you're ready to take your streaming experience to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Google Chromecast with Google TV now. Trust us, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the HP OfficeJet 8015E wireless color all-in-one printer with 6 months free ink with HP '228 F5A in white. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. The HP OfficeJet 8015E is your go-to solution for increased productivity with fast speeds and custom mobile shortcuts. Whether you're working from home or running a small business, this printer is perfect for printing professional quality color documents like forms, reports, brochures, and presentations. Key features of the HP OfficeJet 8015E include fast color print, copy, and scan, auto two-sided printing, mobile and wireless printing, and a single-sided auto document feeder. It's designed to make your life easier and give you the freedom to print from virtually anywhere at any time with the optional HP Smart Printing System. But that's not all. When you activate HP, you get access to advanced features for mobile printing, security, automatic updates, and more. Plus, with 6 months free ink included with HP activation, you'll never have to worry about running out of ink again. After the free trial period, you'll save up to 50% on ink with the Instant Ink Delivery service. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the HP OfficeJet 8015E today and take your productivity to the next level. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you found this review helpful and leave a comment to let us know what tech products you'd like to see us review next. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, LEGO Star Wars fans. Today we're taking a look at the exciting Clone Trooper Battle Droid Battle Pack set for kids. This buildable toy set is perfect for recreating epic scenes from Star Wars: The Clone Wars. With 4 LEGO Star Wars minifigures and 5 LEGO figures, including clone troopers and battle droids, this set is packed with action-packed play possibilities. Kids can build their own LEGO Star Wars speeder bike and join in on the fun with 2 stud shooters and space for 2 clone troopers. And that's not all. With a tri-droid, a stap speeder, a defensive post, and more, the creative role-play options are unlimited. This compact 215-piece set is a collectible gift for Star Wars fans aged 7 and up. Whether you're into building or collecting, this set is a must-have for all ages. So why wait? Get your hands on the LEGO Star Wars Clone Trooper Battle Droid Battle Pack set today by clicking the link in the description below. May the Force be with you. Hey there, LEGO lovers. Today, we're taking a look at the LEGO Minifigures Series 25 6-pack Mystery Blind Box. This awesome set includes 6 surprise minifigures, perfect for boys, girls, and kids ages 5 and up. With 12 unique characters to collect, each mystery box contains a random selection of these cool minifigures. From Triceratops costume fan to film noir detective, there's something for everyone in this collection. What's even more exciting is that each minifigure comes with authentic accessories, adding to the fun of role-playing and imaginative play. Plus, with the blind box packaging, every unboxing is a surprise. Whether you're a LEGO collector or just love to add to your ever-growing collection, this 6-pack of minifigures is a must-have. And it also makes a perfect gift for the little LEGO fan in your life. So, if you're ready to kick your LEGO adventures up a notch, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the LEGO Minifigures Series 25 6-pack Mystery Blind Box. Don't miss out on the excitement of adding these awesome minifigures to your collection.